Unbelievable. 99% of people don't know these genius little tricks. 1. Got a wood splinter in your finger. Here's what my doctor told me to do. Rub a bit of cooking oil on the spot. Then use a syringe to pull the splinter out. The whole process takes only 10 seconds. 2. When your fingers get stuck together with super glue, just pour on some salt and white vinegar to dissolve it. Your fingers will separate easily. 3. You should clean your faucet regularly. Apply some toothpaste to the filter tip. Reinstall it and run the water. It'll remove most of the bacteria. 4. If your teeth look yellow even after brushing daily, try this dentist-approved method. Add some white vinegar to warm water. Dip your toothbrush in it. Then sprinkle salt and toothpaste on the bristles. Keep brushing this way and your teeth will whiten. 5. Plastic bags can do more than you think. When a coin falls into a puddle, fill a clear bag with water. Place it into the puddle and move it around. You'll spot the coin in less than 10 seconds. 6. A clever new use for balloons. Put one inside a plastic bottle. Use it to seal your unfinished drink. It's perfect when you lose the cap, and seals surprisingly well. 7. When your carpet gets dented, place an ice cube on the spot. Wait for it to melt naturally, then brush the fibers with a small brush. Your carpet will look brand new again. 8. Who knew eggshells could do this? Before going out, hide your house key inside one, then stash it somewhere only you know. That way you'll never lose your key.